Hi, today I'll tell you and show you how to paint a fairly simple but impressive picture called Girl with a Dandelion. For this, I'm using a canvas that I had already painted on before and then covered with primer. As you can see, it's transparent so you can see the drawing underneath. The previous one that was here, I start my work by searching for the drawing. I picked a medium tone, it's just my burgundy, maybe with a bit of brown. The girl will be in profile, as you can see. Look at how my drawing begins. That is, I'm not afraid to sketch these first lines quite abstractly. Even this abstract line lets us understand what and how more precisely than before. So don't be afraid to start like this, quite boldly. The same goes for the hand. I'm starting it the same way. See how it looks, just a little bit. Look, I'm starting to add shades already. For the lips, I added a bit more red, and in the cheek as well, so I can better understand how they combine in shapes and volumes. I'm adding this brown with red and picking up another shade. That's exactly what's needed to darken the base. For this light to start glowing, if everything is light, there won't be any glow from it. Here's the finger actually, I also find the light here, and basically I'm adding this light. Here, I've quite boldly added a brighter color. Music, such a bright orange. Yeah, and now I'm starting to smudge it a little bit. Well, basically, everything here is already in the details. I didn't really comment much because I think it's clear what I'm doing and how it is. The main point, the hardest part I think, is to explain and show things at the beginning and at the end. You can already see that I'm just adding details so that the picture looks more complete. So of course I wish you good luck with this painting and with your other creative projects. So, I'll see you in the next lesson. Music.